Huh? Your
My
jacket did? Yeah?
Hate it.
Okay, we're back. Keenan's going for a ride.
Old race helmet.
I didn't have my phone to let you use it.
I'm not going for it.
Okay.
And that kickstand's getting way forward.
Yep.
What's that?
Not FXR.
Let's see, cut off is on.
You gonna be able to get out of there? No, we got it. I have to move my car. You want me to move it? How'd it feel?
Alright.
Like a chopper?
The clothes in it.
Came up a little bit.
Yeah, getting up there. Make a little bit there on the side or what?
Yeah. No drip there. Put on the exhaust pipe too or something. Maybe they got gas maybe spitting out?
I don't know if it's blowing out the cap or what, so I'll have to pay attention to that. I didn't wipe it off before I left, so I don't know if that's new or not.
Yeah, it
so.
probably was from before.
No, I had the cap on and off, so I don't know if I did that. We'll find out.
Wipe off that heat shield right there too in front, behind the carburetor.
The hot one there?
Yeah.
It's hot.
Just wipe it off.
The clutch is really not slipping, but the tire does.
Oh, so it's doing burnout?
Oh, it's spun all the way through. Look here.
I thought second gear sounded like second gear spinning
Yeah,
too.
it's going like that. Oh, well, I'm the head squirrel around town. Joe cut the camera off.
Sorry.
All right, so the tire does slip a lot. Of course, it hasn't been ridden too much yet, so it's still pretty green back there, but I was definitely warming it up for her. So the clutch is not slipping, the tire does, at least all the way too low in half a second. It ran good on top. You didn't hear any misfire or anything, did you?
No.
Okay. I'm pretty sure I had freeway RPM on the motor.
Yeah, I'd say so.
It wasn't fuel starving. So I went all the way, I went hard up in third. So
You went in the fourth, I thought.
I did go into fourth, but I went hard all the way up through third. I didn't peak it in third, but I was up there. So it was definitely over 5 in third. So I think that might have been more than 25 mile an hour. So I'm pretty sure
I'd say so.
pretty sure we're safe on that. Nothing fell off, so it all runs good. The clutch is a little hard getting in neutral, but around here it's getting a little bit better. When I first tried to do it, it was a little stiff, but
Yeah.
you just need to get some oil, you know, some miles on it.
Yeah.
So I think she's having problems trying to put it in neutral. you got to play with the throttle a little bit and kind of jiggle it. And
Yeah. Clutch doesn't feel like it's hard or anything.
she has to learn how to ride.
You've got free play in it, right?
Well, it hasn't been ridden in a long time, so you got to do what you got to do. That is leaking oil on the ground over there. That must be from that fuel, from the oil again, or what? Spot right there. So I don't know what's going on with the oil tank.
All right, that's a new spot.
Well, that looks new to me.
Wow.
Look at my orange rag over there. I don't see a leak. Yeah, see, this is all wet through here, so that was coming down there. So I'm thinking this plug might be leaking.
Yeah.
It's hitting right here, going down the back of the tranny, and then under the ground. It's probably well, underneath the tranny is probably wet. I'm gonna let it cool off because that muffler is a little warm.
Yeah.
But definitely, I'm pretty sure that the noise level is acceptable. See it light? Yeah, those baffles should be just fine in there. Yeah.
Light back up here.
Yeah. It's wet up under, I'm sure, underneath here because it's all wet going down.
Going right down
But
transmission.
let it sit for about 5 minutes so it cools off a little bit. Brakes work good, front and rear. So no problem. Did the lights light up nice? Well, I assume they're lit up behind me. Could you see them going down the street pretty good?
Yeah. All, I mean,
So
nice,
good,
nice
good
and bright.
visibility.
Yeah.
Okay. So all the stuff that I was supposed to fix. The mirrors didn't fall off. I didn't look at them though. I was busy.
You didn't look at them?
No, I was too busy riding. So I never look at mirrors. If you got time to look at mirrors,
Tops to the right side.
you ain't going fast enough. I didn't see nobody on the side of me, so I think I was all right. So anyway, it runs all right. So and the seat's nice and comfortable. I like that. Everything's nice. It's nice, comfortable riding bike. Those foot pegs are really nice with the stirrups back here, the heel supports. So everything is really, really nice. It doesn't feel like that's leaking, but I think he remembers he mentioned something about it. If you put too much oil in it, leaks out of the tank. So,
Yeah, there was something going on with the oil, yeah.
so I'll go see if I can get a new plug and put on it, and then that might take care of the problem. That just tells you there's not enough venting in the tank. So they probably got a welded up oil hole over there where the fitting comes out. They probably got it half plugged up full of welds. It's not venting to the motor like it's supposed to. So high RPM will do that. So keep your RPM down. All right, that's it for now.